All right, so you've got MetaMask on your iPhone, which is awesome. But did you know its real power comes from jumping between different blockchains? That's what we're going to dive into today. I'll show you exactly how to add and manage networks so you can explore, well, the entire multi-chain world right from your phone.
You know that feeling, right? You find a cool new app, you're ready to go, and bam! Wrong network! Ugh, it's so frustrating. But here's the good news. The fix is actually super simple. We're going to get that sorted out for you for good right now.
Okay, so everything we're going to do starts from one single spot. It's right there on the main screen of your MetaMask wallet. Let's find exactly where you need to tap to get this whole process started.
All right, if you've got your phone handy, feel free to follow along with me. First things first, just open up your MetaMask app. Now, look right at the very top of the screen. You'll see the name of whatever network you're on right now. It's probably Ethereum main network. Go ahead and give that a tap. A little list is going to pop up, and all you have to do is scroll down and hit Add Network at the bottom. See? Super easy. 3 quick taps, and we're in.
Okay, now we're in the network menu, and you'll see that MetaMask has made this part incredibly easy, especially for the big popular blockchains. This is by far the quickest way to add major players like Polygon, Arbitrum, or Avalanche.
So you'll see you're on the Popular tab. It's just a list of all the most common networks. Seriously, all you do is scroll, find the one you want, and hit that Add button next to it. They've really made it as simple as they possibly can. Now, before it's all official, MetaMask will pop up with all the network details, just so you can give it a quick once-over. It's asking for your permission, basically. Just tap Approve, and that's it. The network is now in your wallet, ready to go. You can switch over and start exploring right away.
But you know, the crypto universe is absolutely massive. Not every single network is going to be on that popular list. So, what do you do then? Well, the cool thing is you can add pretty much any compatible network yourself, manually. Let's walk through how to do that.
The main thing to remember is that you're never really stuck. As long as a blockchain is something called EVM compatible, which is just a fancy way of saying it works like Ethereum, you can add it to MetaMask. You just have to plug in a few details yourself.
Okay, so for a manual add, you're going to need 4 key pieces of info. Just think of it like the network's contact details for your wallet. You need the RPC URL, that's how your wallet actually talks to the blockchain. Then there's the chain ID, which is just its unique number, the currency symbol, like ETH or Matic, and last, the Block Explorer URL. That's the website where you can go look up all the transactions.
Okay, and this next part is really important. Before you just copy and paste that info from anywhere, please be careful. The details you enter have to be 100% correct. If you use the wrong info, it's not just that it won't work. You could actually be opening yourself up to security risks. So let's talk about how to verify this stuff.
So the big question is, where do you find this information safely? I mean, you definitely don't want to trust some random comment you see on Twitter, right? Let's go over the 2 best, most reliable ways to get the right details.
You've got 2 great choices here. The easy, kind of automated way is to use a trusted site like Chainlist. They basically collect all this data for you. The other way, which is my personal go-to, is to go straight to the source. Find the project's official website or their verified social media. They will always have the correct information published right there.
All right, so now your wallet is all powered up with new networks. The last piece of the puzzle is just learning how to switch between them super smoothly whenever you want.
And this is going to sound familiar. We're going right back to that same button at the very top of your screen. Just tap the network name again, but this time, hey, look at that. You'll see all your new networks right there in the list. Just pick the one you want, and your wallet flips over instantly. It's that fast.
Oh, and just a quick heads up. The very first time you switch to a brand new network, MetaMask will throw up a little one-time pop-up. It just shows you some info about the network. It's just a quick check to make sure you know what you're connecting to. Nothing to worry about.
And that's it. Seriously, by learning this one simple skill, you have basically unlocked the entire multi-chain world. You're not stuck on one network anymore. Now you can play around with apps and tokens on a whole bunch of different blockchains.
So let's do a super quick recap. For the big popular networks, it's just a simple add and approve. For a custom one, you need those 4 key details, and you always have to double-check that info from a safe source. And of course, switching between any of them is as easy as tapping that button right at the top of the main screen.
And really, this is what it's all about, giving you the tools you need to go out and explore. So, now that you can go to pretty much any network you want, the only real question is, where are you going to go first?